So hello everyone, again a new video. I found again time to make a video. I get a new farm dog. I will show you in 1 minute. It's a very small one. It's still a baby. It's about 1.5 months old. It's a crossbreed between a German Shepherd and Boxer. It's a very small one. They get me today. So just want to turn the camera to show you Lila, the small dog. Just a moment. So here's Lila. 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 Look how nice Lila is. Lila. It's a very small one, still small. Today she meet, because it's a female, she meet the chickens and the quail. So, because I'm here, I will show you update on the chickens. They grow very fast and very big. So just want to show you in the quail. Here's the quail. In front of us is the golden one. Another one. I have two golden here inside here. The rest is brown. And Lila is searching for me. She's crying. So let's go again to Lila because she don't see me. Lila. So this is the update. Just a moment to turn the camera again. So here's Lila again. Hello Lila. Say hello to the people. And a small crossbreed between German Shepherd and Boxer. I don't know what exactly will happen, how big she will be, and what exactly of character we will have, if she will be aggressive or not. Say hello to the people. Hello people. Yeah, this is Lila. Today, before a couple hours, they bring me to me, and till now we must meet. So I will take her today to the house. First of all, I must bring it to the vet to check her, to see if she is healthy or if she has something, if she is flay or something. Yeah, this is for this episode. I want to show you the new farm dog, Lila. You will see her in almost every video from now on. You will see how she will grow. So this is for this video. It's a short one. So in this video you meet Lila, my small, I don't know what exactly it will be, Shepherd Boxer. I don't know how they name this kind of mix. So goodbye, have a nice day and stay healthy.